During this video, we are going to talk about adding public resources to your Schoology environment and then being able to pull them into your Schoology courses. So I can click on resources in the blue toolbar, and I will go to the left-hand menu and click on public. So these are resources that have been created by other Schoology users and educators. And I can add these resources to my Schoology resources to then pull down into specific courses. So you'll see that I do have some that are added. If I go to my resources, you'll see in my downloads that I do have the grammar lessons and the Schoology Code of Conduct added here. At any time, I can just click on the box next to it, and I can add it to a course or copy it or move it somewhere else. So as long as I get it into my resources, I can then add it to any course that I want. I want to show you another option. Here's some math manipulatives. I can see that it has quite a few 5-star ratings. I can click on it to see what it is, and it's actually a link. I'm going to click on that as well, and it will take me to that resource. So what's nice is that teachers create different resources to use within your Schoology course. So I'm in this resource. I can rate it after I've looked at it. And then you have this add button. So when I select this, it's going to ask me if I want to add it directly to a course, or I can organize this resource. It defaults on downloads, but if I wanted to, I could have it go into my home. So it's going into my downloads. I'm going to show you what that looks like again. So I'm in my resources. I click on downloads, and you'll see that math manipulatives have been added to my Schoology resources. I can click on the gear and I can add it to a course, copy it, move it, or delete it. Or I can click on the little box next to it and go to edit and add to course, copy, move, or delete. The options allow me to reorder or rearrange this collection. So there's a lot of different resources that you can use. I just want to go back to that view again, because I feel like what's great about this is we don't have to reinvent the wheel. So I can search for a particular topic. I can go by subject, resource type, grade level, file format. This is great if you're looking for specific file formats, like for your media album, rubrics, and so forth. They even have customized badges, which is really nice, and highest rated. It automatically defaults the highest rated. Just an idea, here are some of the badges on the right-hand side that people have created and allowed you to copy and use within your courses, which is great. Students seem to be very motivated by the use of badges. And some of them are gifts, so you can see that they have movement to them, and that also engages students. So I'm just going to scroll down to show you just some of these resources that are in here. They're for all different curricular areas, different grade levels, different types of resources that you could use within your Schoology class to really engage learners and enrich the learning experience. And again, you don't want to have to create the wheel again. You have resources that you can edit or get some ideas from and maybe recreate on your own. And there are so many here. If you look at subject type, you'll see that there's thousands of resources in here for educators to utilize. And that is it for using the resources, the Schoology resources in your Schoology classroom.